In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw from Binance without incurring any fees. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions to help you complete your withdrawal efficiently and cost-effectively. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section located at the top of the homepage. In the wallet menu, select the withdraw option here. You will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. If the recipient of your withdrawal also has a Binance account, you can take advantage of internal transfers. To do this, select the option labeled Binance ID for the transfer method. This option typically incurs no withdrawal fees. It is crucial to confirm that the recipient's UID is correct before proceeding, as any errors could result in lost funds. In cases where you need to withdraw to an external wallet, it is important to select a network that has lower transaction fees. For example, when available, choose the TRC20 network instead of the ERC20 network. Before finalizing your choice, ensure that the receiving wallet supports the selected network. Take a moment to compare the withdrawal fees displayed on the screen before confirming your selection, as this could save you money. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the amount, complete any required security verification, such as two-factor authentication. Before submitting your withdrawal request, review the fee breakdown that appears on the screen. This will give you a clear understanding of any potential fees involved. Once you have confirmed all the details, submit the withdrawal request. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history section of your account. It is advisable to always double-check the network compatibility to avoid any potential loss of funds during the transfer. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.